Hey guys, Nurse Wit here, and
my baby sister and Hugo here.
yes, and we just wanted to share this recipe with you guys for lactation cookies. These are all the different ingredients that I use. I swear by these cookies. I really think that they help with my breast milk supply, and they're yummy too, which is a bonus as well, right?
Yep, and I don't know why coconut oil is going to make lactation cookies, but Mom doesn't want to put peanut butter in them because I'm allergic to peanut butter.
That's
so
right.
She decided to put almond butter in there instead. If you put in the wrong recipe, I realized it can actually ruin the whole recipe.
That's true. So here we are putting in the almond butter, and my sweet mother is helping us because, of course, while I was starting this video, baby sister wanted to breastfeed. So Nana is helping us putting in the almond butter there. I will say that almond butter is a little bit thicker, or maybe it's just the brand that we get, but it is a little thicker, which sometimes makes it harder to mix it up.
And when I try to eat it, it's kind of sticky, you know.
Yeah, it can be kind of sticky. So then we're adding in the honey next. And I don't have exactly all the right measuring cups, I guess. So we kind of had to do a little math to add in just the right pieces.
Yeah. And when you make the lactation cookies right away, I'm pretty sure the bees will eat it because there's honey in it.
You think if there was a bee in our house, it would like the honey?
Yeah, and bring all of them to their bee friends.
Yeah, but remember, bees make the honey, right?
Right.
Yeah, right.
I don't know how, but it's fine.
Yeah, they do. So then we're adding in all the other ingredients there, the vanilla and the coconut oil, and the probably most important thing, the brewer's yeast there. I get mine off of Amazon. I have a hard time finding it in the stores for some reason.
Yep, and next time I'm going to help make the lactation cookies.
Oh, you are?
Yep.
Thanks, buddy.
I will be your butler.
Oh, thanks, butler. So then we're adding in just the rest of the ingredients there. As you can see, I am still breastfeeding her in the video there. I was going to help my mom at this point with mixing, but she still wanted to feed. So we're adding in the cocoa powder. Some people like to add in just chocolate chips. I think it's better with the cocoa powder, so I add that instead. Adding in the salt, and then brown sugar is an optional ingredient. I think it takes out the bitterness of the brewer's yeast, so I like it, but you don't have to if you're, if you think that that's a little too much sugar for you. You do not have to add that in, and they would still be good. And then lots and lots of oatmeal, and that helps with the breast milk too, with increasing your supply. So after you have all of your ingredients in there, I'm still breastfeeding baby. After you have all your ingredients in there, you're going to mix it up. Oh, I don't know why it went back to that part. Adding in more salt.
I have no clue what is going on with this video, I guess.
I don't know either. It's adding in the brown sugar part again. Okay, there we go. Adding in
the oatmeal.
The oatmeal again. Okay, I have no idea what happened there. But adding in the oatmeal, and then Nana is going to mix it up here shortly for us. Come on, Nana. You can do it. Mix up those cookies.
And I'm also going to mix it up next video.
You are?
Yep.
It's really hard to mix up, but Nana does a pretty good job. She's made these for me like 4 times. 5 times.
I don't know why she's using 2 mixers.
Well, she's using one to scrape the side and then one to just like turn it over.
Mixing them looks pretty hard.
Yeah, you'll probably need me to help you do it. But you've got muscles. You've been working out.
Yeah. Well, then after the lactation cookies get mixed, Nana puts them right onto the tray here.
With a scooper, with the cookie scooper.
Yep.
Yep, so she scoops them up and puts them on there, and they're delicious, guys. Definitely check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if it helped you, because it definitely helps my milk supply.
Yeah.
And don't forget to go to babybumplife.com for more tips about motherhood, breastfeeding, and childbirth. Bye, guys.